So Audacity is a free audio editor available for Windows and for Linux. I'll put a link in the description if you want to try this software out. Now I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted noise in an audio file. Sometimes you have an audio file and you get static or you get some kind of background noise that you don't want there. I'll show you how to edit that out. First, you want to open your file. You go to the upper left, you click on File. You click on Open, and wherever your files are. And you see there's a graph of your audio file here. So to select a portion of the graph that you want to edit, you go to the spot, you right click, you hold it down and you pull, and this is your selection. If you want to hear this selection, you press play and it'll play the selection. Now you notice when I play that it has a lot of static in it. That's what we're going to remove with this tool. So you go up to the menu, you click on Effect, and you scroll down. You click on Noise Removal and Repair, and you click on Noise Reduction. This little box opens up. You click Get Noise Profile. Click on that. What this does is it takes a sample of the selection. So you click on Effect again. You go to Noise Removal and Repair. You click on Noise Reduction. We'll see this box again. This time you want to click OK. And this will filter out the noise in this section. Now you notice that the line on the graph is very flat. And when you play it back, that static is gone. What you can also do, if there's still some static there, you can click on this button here in this menu to repeat the process. Now what you can also do is you can select the entire audio file. To do that, you go to Select and you click on All. Now this selects the entire audio file. Then you click on Effect. Then you click on Repeat Noise Reduction, and this will edit the entire audio file, removing that unwanted sound. So to save this file, you want to go to the left and click on File. You want to click on Export Audio. Then you can export it to your computer. You click on that. And then you can save it right here. You just click on Export, and it saves your file. This is a really handy tool to get your audio files very crisp and very clean. I know this seems a little tedious, but if you practice it a few times, it's actually very easy. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.